Good morning, everybody. Today is April 23rd, Thursday. It's 2020, of course. And I really wish I could see you guys. It's really bugging me that I can't work with you guys in person. This video stuff is all good and well and fun sometimes, but there's nothing like being with you guys in person. All right. Today's message is show persistence, which means don't give up. Okay, something's giving you a problem. Try to work at it to find a solution. If you can't find a solution, it's okay to ask for help, just like with your math work or anything else. Ask for help if you need it. You know, that's basically why teachers are around. We kind of help and we coach you till you get to the right point where you come up with those great ideas on your own and you can do your work and feel great about what you're doing and you feel successful. There's nothing like feeling good about what you're doing and feeling successful at what you're trying. Okay, so persist and keep going, keep trying, doing your best like you do. All right. Weird but true too. Ketchup was originally sold as medicine. The average person walks about 80,000 miles in a lifetime. That's more than 3 times around the world. The North Pole is warmer than the South Pole. Caterpillars have mouths, but butterflies don't. Earth is the only planet not named after a Greek or Roman god. You can tell lions apart by the spots at the base of their whiskers. So at the bottom of their whisker, there are different spots that kind of like who they are, tells who they are. Bees visit about 5 million flowers to make one average-sized jar of honey. Hippopotamonstrous esquipedaliophobia is the fear of long words. Trying to read that gave me the fear of long words. I'm going to show you that word at the very bottom of the page in a minute, but extra credit question of the day is one that goes with bees visit about 5 million flowers to make one average-sized jar of honey. So, about how many flowers would a bee have to visit to make 6 average-sized jars of honey? All right. There's that long word at the bottom. I probably read it wrong, in fact, but wow. I know that ending part, that phobia, means a fear of, right? And the word monstrous, that means big. So there are other parts of that word. You can pull those apart, use your reading skills on. Maybe you can figure out which part means what as far as the definition. But phobia is a fear, and I know monstrous, like you guys probably know. Hey, that's a big. Okay. All right. Today for our math is lesson 418. It's the actual last lesson in the workbook. It goes with multiple step word problems in real life kind of situations, which is always interesting to see. They are harder to work on, but again, persist, try your best, let someone check it. If you get super confused between everybody putting their heads together, feel free to text me, email me, let me know, and I'll see if I can help out with specific questions, okay? But they're multi-step. Take your time, really look at that question, and try to get it done, okay? I believe this is number 2 on the first page, page 253. It talks about the distances from different places on a map. They gave you a total, right? So you have that highest number. So there's no really reason to add up 3 numbers to get there since they give it to you. But the stinky part is that they give you a missing number. Okay? So you do have 2 of your smaller numbers, and then you have 1 missing smaller number. You have a 3 number problem that goes with your total. Okay, and I forget the names of those cities, so I can't click on it at the moment, but Charlesburg to Fort Lauderdale, perhaps, or Fort Laramie, I think that's it. Laramie, is missing that little distance there from that one last spot to get to Fort Laramie or Laramie. All right, so you do have the total, so we need to get these numbers out of the total to see what's left. How much distance is left. So what I can do is, I'm going to add these together. And then I can find this little total to subtract from the actual total of the whole distance. Okay? So 270 plus 173. 0 plus 3 is 3. 7 plus 7 is 14. New group above. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you get that total of those two distances. That's 443 miles. Now to get that missing total, since this is your overall total, you will have to now subtract. Okay, so the number you just got, the total 616 miles minus 443. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 1 minus 4, you can't do that, right? How can you take 4 away from one thing? So you have to go next door to get 10 more. 10 plus 1 equals 11. Now we can subtract. We have enough. 11 minus 4 is 7. And 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so there you have it. 173. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was another distance. All right. Well, you know what I'm going to do to check this is I'm going to add these two together. And, I'm going to try to see, is that going to be the 616? Just to double check. Not that I'm saying anybody's wrong, but I just want to prove it to you. I'm going to add these two together. 173 plus 443. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. New group above. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So yeah, we did it the right way. We got that total again. So that missing last distance is another 173. And this is a math mountain here, if you're wondering what that is. In case you forgot. You probably remember that. Okay, so these are all multi-step problems. Page 254 is using the table on that page to figure out your word problems. If you'd like, parents, you don't have to send me these pages from the workbook, but if you feel comfortable and you want me to double check those too, you are welcome to send those as well. All right. So I know some of you might get sick of the Transformer thing, but I love Transformers. This is the Generation 2, so not that first series that was out, but that next one. You might be able to tell what this guy is turning into. Okay. By the way, his name is Scram. He's an Autobot. Put this down. Arms down. Arms go back up. Top part comes on. Feet go up. Oh. There you go. His little arms and hands are like the doors on a car. You got it. I'm not sure what happened to the engine block here. I think I probably ripped it off as a kid. Just kind of messing with it and transforming it all the time. All right, so he is a car. If you said that, great guess. You got it. His name is Scram. I'll show you the cartoon picture on the box that I saved. There he is. Scram. S-K-R-A-M. Boom, boom. I think I already showed this, but on the back. So this is where they came in the package. But on the back, they have the stats of the guy. The strength, leadership, endurance, like all those kind of things. A little story about the guy too, though. So, and then they show you the other things you could buy that are Transformers. But those are the things I like to read. The backs of those boxes, so toy packaging, sports cards, cereal boxes, all that kind of stuff. The little instructions that came with things. I was always into those kind of things. And fun books like this. These are the kind my dad read me with a bunch of fun facts in them. All right, that's it for today. See if you can get the extra credit question correct. Send me the answer, and that's it. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.